Welcome to Ucanic. Today here in Ucanic we have a 2012 Hyundai Sonata, and we're going to go over how you would change your wiper blades out. So to start with, we're going to need to remove the old one, and these are just the standard J-hook. So you're going to just turn it like this, and then there's a little tab back here that you can press. And so you're pressing this tab right here to unlock, and then you can pull the whole wiper off. Then you take your new one, whichever brand you like, and we go through. You just got to get that J-hook in there, and then you just pull it up into place and then put that back down. And so that's how you do that's the driver's side. And we'll go around and do the passenger side. The passenger side is going to be very similar, just that the passenger side is a smaller one. So we take it, we line it up, and just pull it, and you'll hear the little snap button, and put it down. And so that's how you would replace your wiper blades on your 2012 Hyundai Sonata. Thanks for watching Ucanic, where you can be the mechanic.